Welcome to Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair and auto body shop in Long Island City, Queens. This time we had a car come in for body work. It had bumper, fender, suspension, and front end damage from a collision. Once the vehicle was brought in for collision repair, we started disassembling the bumper and fender areas. We found that there was suspension damage here. You can see that suspension components have been completely bent and mangled. You can see that also the bumper has an understructure that needed to be replaced. Here you can see the new one. And here you can see the finished bodywork. Everything that was bent has been straightened out. Everything that was damaged has been properly repainted beautifully back to the factory color. If you look carefully at the body lines, there are no mismatched body lines. There are no awkward panels. Everything is straight and true. Everything has been repaired with OEM parts. Here you can see that the driver's side matches the passenger side perfectly. The car looks as good as it did on the showroom floor. Here you can look at the underbody of the car. There is no overspray and all the suspension components have been replaced with OEM factory parts. Everything is straight as an arrow. Everything was properly masked off before painting. That's why you have no overspray and everything looks good and new, as it should. Tolima's also offers a full car painting service. Here is a smart car that was brought in by a customer. As you can see, the vehicle is fully disassembled so that we can get into any nook and cranny and paint everything properly. From the door jambs, from underneath the hood. That way, from every single angle, the car gets a full paint job and it's done properly. If you have an Asian, domestic, or European vehicle in need of auto body or car repair, feel free to contact Tolima's Auto Center, your one-stop car repair shop in Long Island City, Queens.